Hi, I'm Yulia, and I'm proud to present the Sunset Harbor 5 project in Miami, Florida, USA, by Studio Roda. The driving concept for the design of the space was for the view and the art collection to be the main focus, enveloped by a minimalistic interior backdrop. The interiors exude a serene ambiance with a minimalist yet warm style that allowed the artworks to be the main characters of the space. Thanks to each and every one of you for watching this video. Until the next video, have a blessed day.